Tesla update here on the 19th. So this did end up making a new low. Is it still a fourth wave? Let's go over that right now. So going to the daily chart here, I actually think it's better with the 6-hour chart. So again, we have 1, 2 here, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know we're in a fifth wave, and obviously this fifth wave was an extension. The original target was like 400, and it ended up going all the way to 480. And then on the 6-hour chart, you can see here we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we get this crazy move down like this. I still think this is a fourth wave. If you look at this in the context, it's only dropped to the 0.38 fib. So that's still a fine fourth wave. Also, you can see I already have it drawn up. We crossed the fourth wave parallel line recently, and now if we zoom in, here's my count. You have to go down to the 5-minute time frame to really even see this. But we have this right here. This must have been the end of wave 3. And then you get this weird move right here. This can't be the end of wave 3. An ABC move, that can't be the end of wave 3. It has to be a B wave. And so what I think is happening here is you have too much leverage in the market right now, and they just wanted to kill leverage because yesterday's move was insane. And so what do? They just drop it hard, 488 all the way down to 420 in a day. So a $68 drop, which is like basically a 15% drop. And so I think that this right here was the A wave. B, I don't think this is a third wave. B, and then you have 1, 2, 3, and we get a fourth wave ABC move up here to 457. I thought this was the end. I thought there was a bottom right here. That was a big bounce, 8% bounce there. Not all of that was today though. That was like, it finished at what, 440 yesterday. So it wasn't completely from today, but a 440 bounce or a 458 bounce from 427 is a pretty big bounce. And then you get this move down here. Is it finished? That's the question. I tried trading this right here. I'll show you what I did. I was halfway successful and I got stopped out a bunch because this move ended up being a bunch of BS. You get this down here, you have a parallel line, we cross it right here. So in my mind, that's a third wave. We have 1, 2, 3, it's way past the 1.61 fib. I was looking for something like this, and then down one more time, and that was it. What do? Instead, it just keeps on going higher. It goes all the way back up here to 440, even back up here to 441. And now the question is, did we bottom? I think this must have been third, fourth, fifth right here, because this already broke back into this wave right here. So I'd be very surprised at this point if we ended up getting this. I'd be surprised if it came down even lower tomorrow. But if it does, that would be the fifth wave. So this must be like a very small fifth wave here. You see we broke it right here. And then we come up here and then one more move lower and then we bounce big. So we'll see. It's possible one more low, but I think that it's more than likely this bottomed. And you can see here it's already crossed the parallel line as well. So I'm going to say that this has another move up. That's what I think. But I will be watching. I guess the structure off the low isn't my favorite. But I mean, on 15-minute time frame, this looks completely fine. If this goes like this and then rips like that, then it's perfectly fine to go all the way up here and make one more high, probably around like 500. and then that would be the end of the overall third wave. That started back in, let me zoom out again. Started back here in October. So that third wave, let's see, this took about 6 months. This third wave is only on about 2 months. So a 2-month wave, what am I saying? This is the third wave of the third wave, I'm sorry. So we have third wave. The first wave only took about 2.5 months. We're about 2 months into this third wave. But this fifth wave higher, if it does happen, it could take all the way into January. So we might add some more time onto that fifth wave. They're buying calls all the way up at 900 today with a bunch of premium as well. So I still believe that this is going to go to one more high. And then after that, that would be the end of the third wave. And then you'll see real consolidation for a long time, in my opinion. So that's the Tesla update for today. Let's see what happens. And I will keep you updated here over tomorrow and probably maybe over the weekend.